What up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install indicators on your MT4. First of all guys, you have to install this software. They call it a WinRAR. You'll be able to open a RAR files. As you can see, the file type here is written a WinRAR archive. So this file is a RAR. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can't open it. So make sure you download this software. So after you install this software, you will get files like this. These are indicators. So I'm going to show you how to install them. So with WinRAR, you just right click and extract them like this, and then you extract them like this. Here are these files. Okay. And secondly, you open this this file, and then in here you will find these files ex4. What you have to do is to copy them. You copy them. After you copy them, you go to your MT4, you open it like this, and then you go to file, and then you open data a folder like this. Okay, and then you go here, MQL4, and then indicators, as you can see here, and then paste them here, and you just paste them. Paste, you see, and then you can copy another indicators. This one, you copy them, like this. I leave this one because it's just a template, and then you paste them here. Okay, then when you are done, you open again your MT4, and then you will find a navigator here. So if you don't find it, you go to view a navigator like this. Okay, let me cancel this one. And then as you can see here, they don't show up here. You have to refresh. You go here on indicators, you right click and refresh, then they will appear. In here. Sorry guys, my PC is too slow. Okay, let me pause a bit, and then we'll continue when it is done. Yeah, I'm back guys. As you can see here, I refreshed and then it finished. So here are those indicators. you just drag and drop like this. You see, you just drag and drop, you see, you just drag and drop, you see. So there is like this indicator here and this indicator, they have templates, and this in TPL. So what you have to do, if you want to install, you right click on your chart and then you go to template, a load template, and then okay, you go where you have extracted your template, okay, and then here it is, double click, and then it will install these indicators. As you can see here, you are done, just like this. You are done. Same applies to that indicator. Which one? Yeah, a noisy system. Let's see. You see, you are done. So guys, subscribe to this channel for more videos, so that you will get a notification when I post another video. Goodbye guys.